Hey, it's Sam. How you guys doing? I'm here at the Arcade Gun Show in Springfield, Missouri, and this place is packed. It runs this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Ends today at 5 o'clock, and tomorrow it's 9 to 3. And they've got vendors for almost anything and everything gun-related, Second Amendment friendly you can think of. And they got two halls. East and West Hall is completely filled full of dealers. Tons of people coming in. Come and check it out. For information about the show, go to arcadeshows.com, and you'll see the show here in Springfield, Missouri. Again, the place is packed. Come and check it out. We'll talk to you later.